It's Friday, last day of the trading week. We're gonna make it a good day today. We're gonna draw out our levels. We bagged yesterday, and as you can see, I was aiming. Where was I aiming? I was aiming for a liquidity somewhere down here, right? And look what happened. We fucking absolutely tanked. I was in this trade probably right around here, I think, and we just took it down. And then it retraced up and then came all the way back down. So our whole like trade worked out. It took us out yesterday on our last break even contract, which is fine. We still made some money, but our whole prediction was correct that it swept liquidity all the way down here. As of right now, I'm not ready to trade the minis yet, but let's make it a good day today. I'm gonna draw out my levels on my other chart and let's get after it. All right, so we got our levels drawn out. We got news today, 9:35 a.m. We have FOMC member Waller speaks, and then 10 a.m. Revised UOM consumer sentiment. Don't know what the fuck that is, but we're just gonna wait until all that's done. We're gonna wait till 10 a.m. again, just like yesterday. So if by 10 o'clock we start seeing retracement back up, I'm taking a short. But if we don't hit that by 10 o'clock, then we're gonna see how we react to this level right here. And yeah, we're just gonna sit patient. We got 9 minutes till 10. All right, this is good. We got this Delta Slingshot. It's indicating that we are having a little bit of a sell-off. So this is what I want to see. I am going to make my zone. Now that we got that, I want this candle to close and then have a nice retest up. And then we will be golden to try to take a short. Now we're just going to sit and wait until something happens and we retrace back into the zone. If I don't see anything, then, we're not going to take a trade. Oh, shit. Okay. I just noticed this. We do have a Delta Slingshot now to the upside, so I don't think this trade will work out now if I do take a short. I'm still looking for a short. But I don't think we'll get it. So far, we do have some absorption right here. We do have some absorption. So that meaning that we got a lot of people fighting at this level right here. So we're gonna see what happens. Hey, but if we could catch the top, like the literal top of this, that would be amazing. Okay, we broke out. Not too interested in this anymore. All right. So we can potentially see us going to the 36, 36.50, 36.75. Yeah, this Delta Slingshot did pretty well. Like, I like trading these, but sometimes it's not as profitable as you think. But I mean, if you like manage your risk, I'm sure you could figure out how profitable you can be with it. Okay, this is good so far. We're getting a nice sell-off. Another Delta Slingshot. This candle, this just needs to close. And then we'll wait for an extra candle for some confirmation that we're having a nice sell-off. But I think what I'm going to do is just mark out a zone right now. Yep, we're not even taking this. This is crazy. We're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait for it to hit the 36s. We didn't even get the Delta Slingshot anyway. All right, so we're looking for shorts right now. One of the downsides of trading at lunchtime in like something that I see pops up, there's no volume, nothing.
Order filled.
Getting in. All right. I think what we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna take it down to the low a day. So we're gonna take it down to the low a day. I went in with 3. I was gonna go in with 8 contracts if we got something or if I saw something on my other chart. But since this is a kind of it's a 4-point stop loss, it's not bad. But It's also the middle of the day, so I'd rather just go in with like a light size instead of fucking heavy, because this was a lot up here. Now I'm just gonna monitor this. If we get this Delta slingshot and we break under this green candle, I'll be happy. I'm monitoring this right now, so if I see something I don't like, I'll just instantly get out. I won't wait for what's it called, my stop to get hit. Now we wait. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm an idiot. Low a day is not even close to where I put it. I want to see if we can get under the 5320. If we can, perfect. If you're thinking of something here, put it at the 23 for a 1-point stop loss, because I saw a nice rejection of it going down, and then a big seller was popping up, and then it instantly reversed up on my other chart. So I'll put it down to a 1-point stop loss just to be safe, and it'll hit our zone again, so we could get a re-entry. If we can just get below the 22, that would be really good. That'd be great. Or not the 22, I'm sorry, the 20. If we get below 5320, that would be phenomenal. Trading's all about risk. Manage the risk and you'll become profitable. That's literally all it is. Okay, we're definitely going to watch this area for sure, because as you can see, this is where all the sellers joined up and instant reverse. So oh, no, we didn't break under the 20 yet. That's what we're looking for. We're looking a break under the 20.
Order filled.
It's fine.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, we'll get in now. We're trying this again. Small size. 2.5 stop loss. 2.5 point stop loss. Now we need a fucking break. 1925. Break it. We need a break. We're sitting on right on top of it. Hitting it again. Hitting it again. Hitting it again. Again. Oh my god. Wow. But we broke it. Good. We broke that shit. Good. Hell yeah. Alright. We need to get under 1725 now. Let's see where we get at 1725. Alright. So far, we are around this range right here. The 1725. We broke it, but I mean, it's still kind of supporting it. I still want to see us, stay down here a little bit. I want to see us at least break 1625 also. Break this low. Or if we even hit where we got in, I'm going to get out. Actually, I'll just bring it down right here. Cuz I'm not fucking with this candle right here. I'm not fucking with that.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order canceled.
All right. So we had what? A 2.5 stop loss and a break even. That's not bad. Not bad at all. We're going to see what we do here. Precision.
Order filled. Order submitted.
We're taking it up to the top. It's only one. This is going to be my last trade. 1-point stop. I went in heavy. All right, let's see. I went in pretty heavy, so we're going to sell at the 25.
Order filled.
I got out of that. I think that's it. I think that's gonna be it for me. Nothing is middle of the fucking day and some shit. I think that's gonna be it for me. I mean, it's just this candle, man, right here. This candle right here. All this selling and it's just staying above, but it's not on my other chart. It's not holding. It's just not holding at all. We were in profit for a good amount of time. But we were aiming for a high. Hey, if we get it and I'm off the computer, fuck it. It is what it is.
Order submitted.
Remember, I'm only taking these trades with calculated risk and how much I am willing to risk, even if I am having small losses. These are 2-point losses with such small size, for my account. That's a good thing to point out there. This will be my one and only trade, and then I'll be done. Bet we're up. Doing all right. We broke out of the trend line. I need to get my ass back in the kitchen to make some food. Um, pretty good so far. I'm back. We're still looking good. Oh shit, we're doing really good actually. I need to get back in the kitchen. Put this to break even. We'll put that to break even. Be safe because this is the last trade, so we want this to count. We'll actually, yeah, we'll put it. Let's keep it at break even. All right. Oh shit. That was crazy. Still in it though. Fuck it. Okay. I just got back. I'm whipping it up in the kitchen right now. We're doing all right. This is pretty good. Are we gonna hit 36? I don't know. So I'm going to put my whole position to good till close because got 2 hours left in the market. Anything can happen. So I have my setting good till close. It doesn't look good over here. We can't get past this. So we're holding. We're fucking holding. We're at break even. It doesn't even matter.
Order filled.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda, sold right there. All good. I'm really not even mad.
Order canceled.
Not even mad at all. That's it. We took a negative a negative week this week. Not bad. I'll show you my P&L. Well, okay, so this is my P&L. Definitely got fucked with fees because of how many trades I took in the day. But I'm really not mad at all. Literally not mad at all. Here's my trades. Look at that. Really small losses. Just small losses. And then, you know, big wins. But this week was a dry week. I didn't really trade much this week besides today and yesterday and what was it? Tuesday? The 23rd. Like I said, I'm still learning as well. But my main goal is risk management and large profits right now because so far we're doing okay. This is my gross P&L. So yeah, if I didn't get fucked with fees, we would only been down $33. But here are my trades. Like I said, look, small losses, big wins. Small losses. That's it. So I hope everyone has a good weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, so see everyone Tuesday.